Hey folks, it's been a cool day across the valley again, but it didn't start as cold as we thought it might. We did ended up warming up into the 60s across the valley. 65 Weslaco, Harlingen, Raymondville, same thing Port Isabel and the island. Brownsville, McAllen 66, and so is Rio Grande City, Edinburgh, the cool spot at 64 right now. Overnight tonight, we just drop into the upper 50s. That's it, but the cloudy skies have already built in and will be with us all night long. And then look at tomorrow. We're right back in the same areas today, upper 60s, maybe 70 or so, winds out of the east-southeast, but the showers start tomorrow morning, probably scattered and become more numerous as the day goes on. Temperature-wise, the next 3 days, we stay below average, 68, 66, and 65. But look at all the clouds. First of all, there's some low clouds here, a lot of moisture, but look at this high cloud cover coming across from the Pacific Ocean, making its way into deep South Texas. And we are pretty much overcast out there now, and probably will be until the second half of the day on Saturday. And from those clouds tomorrow, the rain chances come. Now, if we look at the morning, spotty stuff begins to show up first in the western part of the valley and then kind of scattered during the afternoon. I think the heaviest rain, the more persistent rain tomorrow will be north of us. Kennedy County, Brooks County, up toward the coastal bend, but we'll still see scattered showers tomorrow. But then look at tomorrow night. Starts quiet, but then as the night goes on, scattered showers move across, and it looks like everybody gets in on the act overnight. And it looks like now it could linger into the morning hours on Saturday. This is 7 a.m. Still seeing some rain around. Then it'll end from west to east by afternoon. Maybe some leftover showers at the coast, but eventually those will push on out as well. By the time we get to Sunday, I think we're all back into sunshine. How much rain are we talking about? FutureTrack's pretty aggressive with it. It says by noon tomorrow, not so much. All in the western part of the valley, all light stuff. Eastern part of the valley, nothing yet. By tomorrow night, we've all seen at least a little bit of that light stuff. But then look what happens overnight tomorrow night. Now, again, this is pretty bullish, if you will, on the rain chances. A couple of inches is what the model's forecasting in Hidalgo County, a little less in Cameron County, but I think that you're looking at half an inch to an inch generally across the valley. So your rain chances 50% tomorrow, 60 tomorrow night, 40 early Saturday, and then it goes away after that. And from that point on, the rain chances stay out of the forecast. What's going to happen is a little low is going to develop right on the coast, right near us, and that will eventually begin to pull away, and a little front trails out of that. So that pushes slightly cooler air in here. By the time we get to Sunday, though, the drier air comes in as well, and the sunshine lasts all the way through the weekend and through most of next week. We'll show you the Christmas forecast in a moment. 58, then cloudy skies tonight. Could be an isolated shower overnight. Then tomorrow, on and off showers. The rain chances increasing from west to east as the day goes on. A high tomorrow of 68 degrees. That's your best chance tomorrow night, early on the day on Saturday. By the end of the day, some sunshine, at least in the western part of the valley. Winter begins Saturday evening. Sunday looks nice, 65 and sunny. At this point, Christmas Eve, partly cloudy, 75, and partly cloudy and 80 on Christmas Day. The end of next week, still in the 70s. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.